What is up, everybody? Broken Car Garage here, bringing you another video. So check it out. Sweet Rides of Central Texas invited me, or Shawn Jones, thank you Shawn Jones, we're going to a car meet called Rockin' Rides. Rockin' Rides is happening today, March 9th. It's a huge car event that's happening. So shout out for Shawn Jones. Thank you for inviting me. This is great. I'm excited. Big shout out to Sweet Rides of Central Texas. If you guys want to know more events or want to keep updated with all the events that are coming up, check the link down below in the description. You'll keep updated all the events that are going on. Same thing with Rockin' Rides. Their link's gonna be down below. So check it out, guys. I'm pretty excited. Oh, and thank you, Cedar Park Police Department, for helping us with this event. They're right there. Huge shout out. Thanks, guys. You're awesome. Oh, dude, and we got some cool cars coming up. Look at that. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's a little wet today. Texas, you never know where you're gonna get because it's Texas. It's nice, it's wet, but we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's see how this goes. This is gonna be great. Rain or shine, guys, events will never stop. So remember, check them out down in the description. Let's go.
Yeah, it's just a powerful.
Guys, look at this. This is, oh my God. So right now we're all meeting up to parade towards the meet right now. See, there's the mobile right there. All the cars. Dude, that's a nice car. Huge line of cars, guys. This is awesome. Ooh, and more. Wide body. Look, guys, it's the Wienermobile. Oscar Mayer. Alright, guys, so we're going inside the Wienermobile. This is what it looks like. I've never been in here. I never knew that there was like anything in here. This is super cool. Hi guys.
Hello.
You guys want to introduce yourself?
I'm Deli Fresh Kelly.
And I'm Tony Bellow, and welcome to the Wienermobile.
Awesome, awesome. This is awesome. This is cool. I actually never knew that it had a nice interior. I thought it would have been a little bit more plain than this. This is cool. This is super cool. Awesome. What's up, guys? Let's check this out. This is so cool. I still didn't picture the interior being this nice, but this is really cool. So everybody's getting ready. Oh my God.
So we're gonna follow the police car right now.
Cool. So we're getting ready to go.
And take a right, and then stay in the right lane because it's gonna be a police car that's gonna be passing you. And then you're gonna take 11 to 10 miles an hour.
No more than 10?
That's what he said.
I'm really bad about that. Same.
What are you guys all doing?
That wouldn't be a part of it. He's coming out of the loft. He's like,
Letting you pass them?
I can't tell.
Well, he's trying to tell him.
Here's the police officer.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, there, okay.
This guy's trying. Just go for it, yeah.
Cop stop there. I guess we're following the command. We're just trying to figure out where to go. That's all we're trying to do.
Yes, stay in the right lane, yeah.
He seems pretty confused too.
Well, thank goodness he's in front.
True.
Even with the cop there, I would have went left.
Yeah.
They caught up. He's like waving. There's the horn. They wave. Yeah, dude, that's awesome. That was just the stadium. His face. sun's finally coming out. parallel parking.
If that was possible then.
Alright guys, so that was the inside of the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. A lot different than I thought. Still pretty cool. It's like a little spaceship. It's so weird. We weren't supposed to go over 10 miles per hour, so it took us forever to get here. Man, not that long. That was pretty cool. Thank you Cedar Park Police Department for helping us with this little parade that we had. That was pretty cool for y'all. Thanks. Dude, this thing is all custom made is what they told me. Everything custom made. They used an LS motor. So LS swapped the world because even the Wienermobile has an LS in it. So everybody's still trying to show up. Starts at 10 right now. It's 8:34. So we're pretty darn early. So everybody's still sitting up. See, we got the booths over here. Huge event, guys. Huge event.
Awesome. Oh.
Everybody's excited to see it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're here at the Gupton Car Show for, I'm just kidding.
It's all good. We're back here with the Type R. Look at this Type R, guys. Check it out. Type R.
Is it loud? No.
That nice tip. For real. Do you even vape, bro?
Hondas?
Yeah. Yeah. No, I would expect you with the Subaru. Well, he does have the wing.
Where are the Subi owners at?
Extra batteries enough? Oh my god, dude. Go buy your 240 somewhere else.
Oh yeah. I love it. How about the center console set? Yeah.
I really like this Porsche.
It's all those secondary
Some more classics over here.
They didn't know, but they looked up the number and started on it. The 302 and the 10.
Dude, what?
Yeah.
Dude. Okay, back with the classics here. This is the car from earlier. Beautiful.
know who Ted Nugent is?
Autograph from Rockstar. Teddy Nugent. That's cool. That's awesome. Still there. Everybody's still prepping. We got some more cars over here. There's gonna be a lot more. Look, you guys, they even got like a little train, a tractor train. Oh, I didn't see the Indy car. Oh, that's awesome. Let's go check it out.
When we made the seat, I put in my suit, and I got in, and they poured the seat around me, and it molds to you, like to your body.
Really? So that seat's only for you?
This seat is exactly for me. It fits me exactly. I mean, other people can sit in it, but they may not fit quite as well. But it sits so tight that I almost don't need the belts. Because it keeps me from going side to side. It just keeps me from coming out of the belts. But
That's awesome. That is cool.
Yeah.
Take it serious.
Yeah, yeah.
Check this out. Some Pontiac. Okay, you guys. Now this is something else. Look at this old Stingray. I've never really messed with any of these or came close to any of these. I don't know why. But look how far forward the brake booster sits. That's weird. It's nice. Look at these ones. We got some JDM.
Move the spray out of the way?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I just a small video.
Alright.
It's really nice. I love the color. It's hard to get the interior a little bit, but this is nice. It reminds me of that 70 show. Because of the bench seat, of course.
My brother-in-law, he had
This is nice. That's dedication. You do have all sorts of cars here, man. That's cool. Man, the cars that they're bringing out today are so beautiful, so nice, y'all. You see what I mean? Shawn Jones.
Guys,
He's the one. He's the man. He's the man that starts it all, man. He's
the man in the golf cart.
Yeah, there you go. So they're helping out Rouse High School graduation.
High school project grads. Basically, a safe environment to keep all the seniors off the streets on graduation night. Alcohol-free, drug-free. So what we do is do this big fundraiser so those guys and gals can have a great night on night of graduation.
So that's awesome. So not only is it just an event for everybody, it's just an event for helping anybody else. You know,
Sure.
It's a good cause.
All seniors, they all benefit from this event. So I'll take you around here a little bit. There's
So check this out, guys.
The Williamson County, they have a rollover unit. And then, as you can tell, all the Mopars over here, they got let in by the state police today.
Yeah.
But guys, let's check this out. Maybe you can ask these guys to demonstrate it for you. Can you, for his video, can we demonstrate that? Yeah.
Let's check it out. How's it going?
Good. What this does, it demonstrates a rollover and how important seatbelts are, but most importantly, how important booster seats are for kiddos in a car crash. So we're just going to do a demonstration where it rolls over with the booster seat, and obviously we expect nothing to happen, and then we'll do it again real quick without.
Okay.
And this is a low-speed rollover, about 20 miles an hour. So,
Okay.
obviously car seats work and it's a lot safer to be restrained.
Yeah, you guys are doing a good cause, trying to show everybody the importance of a seatbelt. And remember guys, it's not the 70s anymore.
County MS, we have car seat technicians, and we do a lot of training on car seats to make sure parents have the right seat for their kiddo and it's installed properly.
Okay.
And so they can look us up online at wilco.org EMS or through social media and find our next event. Reach out to us if you have any questions or need help.
Cool. Well, thank you guys. Thank you very much for being out here.
Thank you.
So remember to wear your seatbelt, guys. Always wear your seatbelt. Even if you're just going down the street, always wear your seatbelt. I'm a big push on safety. I recommend it. If you think, oh, I'm just gonna go down to the gas station, which is like a minute away, it doesn't matter. Anything can happen. So be safe out there, you guys.
I always feel depressed, so I just sing another tune. Whoa, I pack my bags, I'm saying adios. I'm never seeking help, cause I ain't ready for that diagnose. Whoa, eyes closed, slow, that's comatose. And it runs in my family, so I guess it's time to overdose.
Yeah, look at this McLaren.
Send them to the... Oh, sorry, bro.
It's all good.
Are you putting it back to a video that's doing? Gotcha. Okay. Send them to the...
Sweet Rides of Central Texas does it for a good cause. So that's awesome. This event helps out a lot. So make sure to keep up with the events. Link down in the description. So you can keep updated, websites and everything. Got the V-dubs coming in. This car is so trippy, man. It's okay. This is great. These are super rare, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Probably 1,000 of them here still on the road in the States.
That's crazy.
They imported 20,000.
How much horsepower? Like what, 20? 13 horsepower.
Good one more's got a bigger engine.
Yeah, most.
One cylinder, 360.
Wow, okay. That is really small. I didn't expect it to be that small, but that's crazy. That's pretty small. There's only one cylinder.
Well, it was one of their bicycle engines.
Ah, okay.
R64 bike engine at the time.
And they decided to make one of these. That's cool. I like it. It's different. What's the fastest you can go?
It'll do 45 to 50.
Oh, that's not too bad. That's not too bad.
50 with the tailwind, maybe. But it gets pretty hairy if it goes about 45.
I bet it does.
I really don't like driving that.
Does it have only one wheel in the rear, right?
Two.
Okay, so they're just closer to get. Okay.
Yeah, they're on a single axle, so you don't have to have a different
Oh, okay, cool.
stage weight.
What's the MPG like?
50 in town.
Wow, that's not bad.
No. Well, it only holds 3 gallons, but you don't want to sit in it for 3 hours.
I would.
You have to get out after an hour.
I bet. This is cool. I like it. You can say it's cute in a certain way.
Look
at the speedo and the steering wheel. It's so weird. Little sunroof. Oh yeah, there you go. 2. Nice. Here's a little history on the car.
Yeah, it will keep the wheels from moving. The wheels just spin regardless of first, second, third gear. So you gotta be careful in the secondary. But as long as you stay out of the secondary, then it runs good, drives good. Since it's not the big 427, it didn't overheat a lot. You know, it was really, really high out.
Yeah, and then in Texas we got the big truck. I didn't even see this Plymouth. Oh my god, it's so long. That wing though. America was doing the big wang gang a lot earlier than we were. I love it. You guys, we got the army truck over here. It's crazy big. There goes the cop.
It wasn't me.
Oh, they got speakers. There's speakers in there where you guys can't see them. Everybody underneath all the booths. Just start pouring. All right, we made it to my car to pick it up. I got a ride. Let's go back to the event. Ooh, I love this color. Beautiful purple. I'm telling you guys, best event we ride of Central Texas. Has all the events you can go to on their website. You guys have to check it out. Check it out, this has cop lights. Oh, it's 7.
Come on.
Trench coat in the rain, kinda high on drugs. 10 tugs for my brain, always high on buds. Trench coat in the rain, kinda high on drugs. 10 tugs for my brain, always high on buds. I take drugs, I ain't numb enough right now. Fucked up, I ain't coming home right now. Feel the same when I wake, still I need more sleep. No more dreams, now I see.
Ariel Adam, is that how you say him? Is that the name of him? I want one. I want one. So yes. Ariel Adam, right? Ariel Adam. Dude, I love these. Ever since I saw him on Top Gear,
Yeah.
I want one, man. That it seems fun, and more fun than a bike.
Oh God. I sold all my street bikes for one. So.
I would too, man. Oh man. Guys, check out these lug nuts, or the lug nut covers.
Yo, I'm pushing you away, cause every time we tug it hurts. Help me cure out my depression and gave me a sense of worth. It's like you helped me out the mud and then shoved me in the dirt. Now I'm stuck feeling like I'm the only person on the earth. You were like my world and I watched it fall apart. Now I'm drifting through the cosmos and circling the stars. Help me.
Favorite Camaro, Dream Camaro. I know a lot of y'all like the 69, but I love the 70s Camaro, Z28. Okay, let's try to get some higher ground. I'm gonna go up there real quick. See that stadium? This is a really nice stadium. Okay, let's go get a better view. That's the parking lot for everybody. All the cars for the car show. Anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me, they gasping. They cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm at half speed. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking. Sweet Rides of Central Texas does it right. I can tell you that right now. You guys gotta keep updated. These events get crazy.
Garages of Texas, Georgetown, Texas Photography Festival, Glorious Cafe, Cedar Park, Good Guys Detail, H&R Auto Body, Haggerty Classic Autos. We also have Lightwork Studio, Mac Hike, Ford Lincoln, Made in the Shade Window Tinting, Mark Martin and Company, My Plates, PDQ Chicken, Power Home Remodeling, Prestige Custom Detail, Pristine Auto Detailing, Pure Auto Glass. We also have Shipley Donuts from Palmer Lane, Sport Clips, SRE Promotions, Starving Goats. And also out here sponsoring our event today is Stressless Auto, Sweet Rides of Central Texas, Tap Snap Photo Booth, Texas Roadhouse, Texas Trucks and Toys, The Whole Farm, the Valentine Law Firm, THT Off-Road, Top Golf Austin, and Tex Tag. Again, thank you to everybody. Thank you to our sponsors, and thanks to the drivers, and thank you for the guests coming out here today to support this event. We appreciate it.
And then they got all their sponsors right here. That's how serious this event is. Here's their sign, guys. They got a history of how many Wienermobiles there were. Yeah. Talk about the miles per gallon. Alright, for you guys, one more time. Go inside real quick. Oh yeah. It's still hot. So we got that flat screen. So you and your homies are always sitting here watching TV. Got those nice, luscious seats. Got a good view of the outside world. And of course the driver. Cockpit. So it was really fun being inside this car, driving it, or being in it while I was driving. That was pretty fun. Wanted to show you guys one more time. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been really fun. So many reallys. But crazy turnout. I love it. I love these events. Sweet Rides of Central Texas. You guys did it best. Don't forget to check them out. Link for all info will be down in the description. Make sure to check it out. Website and everything tells you all the events that are coming up and anything else you need to know. Thank you again, Shawn Jones, for inviting me. Thank you, Sweet Rides of Central Texas, for inviting me. Thank you, Cedar Park Police Department, for helping us do this event. This has been a crazy event. Super fun. I love it. Can't wait for the next one. You guys got to keep updated. Keep watching the videos. Don't forget to like the video. We need those likes, guys. Keep supporting my channel. If we like it, everybody else can see it. We can grow this channel and we can make something of it. Who knows? Let's see how far we can push this channel, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Y'all have a great day. Be positive. Y'all have a nice day. Or night. Which one ever it is. But bye.